Meaning of IVF.
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 IVF. IVF stands for in vitro fertilization. It is a reproductive technology used to fertilize an egg outside of the body, in a laboratory dish. IVF is often used by couples who are experiencing difficulty in conceiving naturally, or who have other fertility issues. In this procedure, the egg is extracted from the female's ovary and then mixed with sperm in a laboratory dish to fertilize. The resulting embryo is then transferred back into the female's uterus to continue developing naturally.